In this tutorial, I will show you how to refund items on Roblox. This should be quite an easy tutorial. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. First, open Roblox in a web browser and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click on this icon on the top right corner. Click My Transactions. A list of items will be displayed here. Choose and copy the name of the item you want to refund from the list. You will need this later when providing the details of the item to Roblox. Please note that I haven't made any purchases here, but you should proceed as advised. Now, click on the gear icon on the top right corner and then select Help from the drop-down menu. In the search bar on this page, type Refund and select the first option. A new page titled Unauthorized Charges and Refund Requests will open. Scroll down on this page until you find Need More Help? Contact support here. Under Additional Help, and click on it. On the next page, Roblox will ask for some information, including your personal data. While under Issue Details, provide the information and name of the item you want to refund and then click on Submit. This is how you can quickly request a refund on a purchase you made using Robux. I hope this helped you out. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and see you in the next one.